It began with a dream 50 years ago to build a truly great American company. The American dream is driven by compelling value, craftsmanship, teamwork, advanced technology, and a commitment to excellence.
We work as a team like Americans should be.
We still got it. The American worker still works hard. We're still in these factories, putting out the products, and I think we take pride in it.
Anybody that says that American workers can't compete, they don't understand the American pride that we have. And I'll put anything that's made in America up against anybody else in the world.
This is the story of the people who believe in their products and how they help millions of families every day.
We are the best. And to maintain the best, we have the highest standards.
We put a lot of work and effort and love into the window before it gets to the customer's home. If it's not made right, we do it all over again. It has to be perfect. It has to be.
If you see my initial BR on the window, I can guarantee that window is working properly.
Got a lot of hard work goes into it, a lot of craftsmanship, a lot of detail, and you're getting the best product we can possibly give you. It's guaranteed for life.
As long as you're there, as long as you're living in that home, you get a lifetime warranty. It's not a 5-year warranty, it's not a 1-year warranty. You got champion forever, as long as you're there living.
It's done by hard-working people, hard-working Americans. We're here and we have all different nationalities and cultures, but we're all here doing the same job, working hard.
Oh, this guy's great. This is La Brothers for me.
You're going to have 100% American-made products, but you're going to have 1,000% American pride.
These are the people at Champion who build quality and help dreams come true for American families. America's best windows, patio rooms, entry doors, and siding are built by American workers with pride and craftsmanship. This commitment to quality and the continual drive to be the best is the reason more people trust Champion than any other company in America. This team is the backbone to providing factory direct premium products directly to customers. They build premium products once only affordable to the very wealthy. That's Champion, premium quality, wholesale value, direct from the factory. That's the story of the Champion team.